welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a baby room tour. I'm going to show you my baby's room, and yeah, let's get into the video. This is the door to the nursery. It's just got a little sign on it, and we're going to go in now. So you open the door and this is the room. So we're going to walk in and I'm going to show you the changing unit first. This is changing unit with all his stuff on, the mat and everything. So then we have the top drawer with the wipes and nappies in. And then in the second drawer is his clothes and so on, so on. That's his clothes. So then here we have a bouncer that he sits in. We have one of these in the living room too, but we have one in the bedroom as well, just in case he, you know, I don't know, we just have to. So then we close the door, and on the back of the door is his 2 bath towels at the back, and then here is his toy box and his car seat with all his clothes in that are too small for him, and we need to sort them out, so we just put them in there just for now. So then we turn around here, and there is the rocking chair that I sit on to feed him, and that's that. And then we go here is his bedside table, and he has a little cross that we got gifted. We've got these cards to take pictures with, and books, and then here we have a memory box with all his stuff in from the hospital when he was in the hospital, and then we've got a lamp, and we've got this book here which is a memory book, a journal, baby journal, just to put all of his stuff in so when he grows older he can read through that. Then in here is the drawer with all my breastfeeding stuff in, which I currently do not breastfeed anymore. I'm currently bottle feeding, so I need to sort that drawer out, but that's just where all the breastfeeding stuff is. And then here I have some muslin cloths and his red book for the doctors and the health visitor. When she comes around, she likes to put things in there. So here we have the cot, says Sweet Dreams above it, and it's got a little toy thing. It's got some blankets on the side, and in here is his clothes that are too big for him because we don't have much storage at the moment, so we just put them in there for now because he's not sleeping in there at the moment. He's sleeping in the room with us, so we just put them in there. And then he's got his teddies in this corner right there, and then here is the windowsill. It's got a fan, some ornaments on, and then we've got his play mat down here. He plays on that quite a bit. We do tummy time on that and stuff, so yeah. And then here is his pram in the corner, and then we have a cupboard here with the ironing board on, and we open this cupboard up, and there's just loads of stuff in there that we need to sort out. It's just a storage bit for the moment, but we are going to change this cupboard into a walk-in wardrobe when he's a bit older, so that's the plan for that. Oh, a bit loud. So I'll put the pram back, and that is it for this video. This is the baby room. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. I'm going to be doing a Halloween type of video, and I'm going to be doing, when it gets towards Christmas, I'm going to be doing what I brought my baby for Christmas video. I'm also going to be doing a morning and nighttime routine as a teen mom, so stay tuned for that, and that is it. Thank you for watching. Bye.